So I got protein treatment done in my hairs 3 times. Well, so मैंने अपने naturally wavy, thin, frizzy बालों को 3 बार temporarily corporate बना लिया. And honestly, I enjoyed the process. और अब I miss my natural hairs. Well, hi guys, welcome back to Shreology, where we try to talk about our life decisions, overshare basically, and then we learn through each other's lives. So today we are talking about my creatine or protein treatment journey. And before anybody asks, this is not coming from some hair expert or something. This is coming from a girl जिसके naturally thin wavy बाल थे और जो बस explore करना चाहती थी. Like genuinely, no breakup, no mental breakdown, no new hair, new me era kind of thing. बस मुझे देखना था कि silky manageable बाल वाले लोग exactly कैसे अपनी जिंदगी को जीते हैं. Because I would not say that I'm conscious. I really loved my hair, like this is how they were. But I just wanted to explore. और honestly, मेरे बाल horrible भी नहीं थे. They were just a little annoying. I mean, एक दिन अच्छे, एक दिन frizzy, एक दिन cute wavy, और अगले ही दिन बिजली गिर गई है क्या मेरे पे types. And you know what? Thin wavy hairs का biggest problem क्या होता है? You can never predict them. Humidity decides your personality that day. And thank God, मैं किसी random salon में नहीं गई because my hairstylist literally knows me since my childhood. Like उन्होंने मेरे school haircut से लेकर मेरे random impulsive trims सब देखा and he has only done it. So I trusted him blindly. And salon का vibe भी बहुत real देसी है, not exotic salons जहाँ they'll manipulate you to get some 8,000 का shampoo. Well, anyways, we'll just get into the process first and then talk more about it. So what they do is सबसे पहले they wash your hairs, shampoo, and salon hair wash feels like heavenly या फिर एकदम ही interrogation. तो anyways, उन्होंने basically hair wash किया which wherein shampoo मेरे सर में ऐसे 10-15 मिनट था for cleaning entire thing. और फिर उन्होंने leave-in cream लगाया, that creatine cream, and then he let my hair sit for like an hour or so with that cream. और फिर उन्होंने स्ट्रेटनिंग शुरू किया एंड आई स्वेयर उस वक्त जो स्मोक निकल रहा था ना मेरे बालों से ऐसा लग रहा था मेरे लाइफ के सारे टॉक्सिक डिसीजंस फिजिकली इवेपोरेट हो रहे हैं. बट ईदर वेज ही डिड दैट. इट टुक एन आवर और सो. और फिर मेरे को अगले 2 दिन के लिए like 48 आवर्स के लिए शैम्पू नहीं करना था. ही सेड हम लोग एक दिन में 24 आवर्स में भी कर सकते थे बट he still told me to wait for like 48 hours. Or in 48 hours I was not allowed to shampoo, I was not allowed to put water, I was not allowed to put on clutcher और मेरे को सिर लटका के सोना था. So yeah, that was about 2 days of my life. Either ways वो cream मेरे सिर में थी. And on the 3rd day he did like a normal hair wash और फिर dried my hair and then voila, my hairs were silky, straight, smooth. And honestly I liked it. My hair became super manageable. Like suddenly I understood the girls जो रोज नहाकर बाल सुखाकर बैम प्रिटी लगते हैं. बिकॉज अर्लियर मेरे बाल को हर वॉश के बाद नेगोशिएशन चाहिए होता था. लाइक आई हैव टू सिट एंड थिंक आज हाउ आर दे गोना टर्न अप आफ्टर दे ड्राई. बिकॉज अगर एसी में ड्राई हो रहे हैं तो अलग टेक्सचर होगा, अगर नॉर्मल बाहर धूप में ड्राई हो रहा है तो अलग टेक्सचर होगा, अगर मैं घर में अंदर बाहर रूम की कर रही हूँ एसी के अंदर बाहर तो अलग टेक्सचर होगा. अगर उसके बीच में क्लचर या कुछ कर दिया तो like it was a very toxic relationship. I would not say toxic though, but I mean still I was not very much aware कि आज उनका texture क्या होगा. And if you have to go somewhere you have to literally put in effort to do everything and I'm too lazy for that. So yes, after this treatment my hairs went एकदम straight, easy going. So my hair is naturally like thin, ultra thin, which is why the look became very sleek. और initially I loved it. बट लेटर आई फिगर्ड आउट कि द ड्रिल इज कि अगर मैं 2 दिन तक अपने बाल वॉश ना करूँ लाइक 3rd डे पे तो मेरा स्कैल्प इज वेरी ग्रीसी, तो वो एकदम आई लुक लाइक अ चंपू. बट एनीवेज आई डोंट माइंड दैट. आई like had recently gotten into doing sleek ponytails, sleek buns and everything. So the one thing that scared me, because there's this one thing that nobody talks about, that when your hair becomes flatter you suddenly start feeling कि बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall हो रही है. And I initially panicked बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा था कि hair fall बहुत हो रही है, but reality में I sort of analyzed it and felt कि सच में hair fall increase नहीं हुआ है. क्योंकि as a girl, so how I analyzed, of course, as a girl, when you sit, when you stand, when you do anything, you literally keep seeing आसपास बाल गिरे हुए ना. So that's how I noticed. And then I literally sort of एंड स्टार्टेड वेरी मच वॉलंटरीली नोटिसिंग कि कितना हेयर फॉल हो रहा है. आई जेन्युइनली नोटिस कि इतना हेयर फॉल इंक्रीज हुआ है. इट वॉज जस्ट दैट माई नेचुरल हेयर्स गेव वॉल्यूम टू मेरे हेयर्स, और जब वो स्ट्रेट हुआ तो ट्रूथ एक्सपोज हो गया. ठीक है, उस चंपू ऑल दिस वाई इट वॉज जस्ट दैट वेवी होने की वजह से आई टू फील दैट. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट वॉज वंस योर हेयर बिकम्स मैनेजेबल you sort of get addicted to it because life easy हो जाती है. I used to have no frizz, no constant styling, no fighting with my comb like it owes me some money. So yes, I got it done 3 times after that. Also, मतलब अगर आप एक बार कराते हो तो दैट थिंग लास्ट्स फॉर लाइक 3 months. अगर आप उनके स्पेसिफिक शैम्पू और लीव इन कंडीशनर या मास्क वड़े वे कॉल इट उसको यूज करो तो. So I used to use that. I still do that, and honestly, I enjoyed it. It was very nice. I loved that phase. I still have it like for some few days. पर अगर मेरे को 4-5 दिन में कभी कोम करना पड़ता है तो करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो I can skip it. बहुत ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे बाल बहुत पतले हैं तो उतना उलझता या फंसता भी नहीं है. But now, I weirdly miss my natural hairs, and I know गर्ल्स विद कर्ली या वेवी हेयर्स विल वेरी मच रिलेट टू दिस कि हम अपनी पूरी लाइफ अपने नेचुरल हेयर्स को कंट्रोल करने में लगा देते हैं एंड वन फाइन डे सडनली वी मिस द फ्रिकिंग वॉल्यूम टेक्सचर फ्लफी पर्सनैलिटी वी हैड. I mean, straight hairs make me look very polished, but my natural hairs made me look more alive. You know, when I had those random days जब वो randomly अपना रूप रंग दिखा रहे होते थे, and I used to figure out what do I do with that. Now I miss it. That tug of war between me and my hairs. So would I recommend this treatment? Honestly, depends. If you want manageable hairs, you want low maintenance life for some time, honestly you can just go for it. But if you think कि ट्रीटमेंट के बाद मैजिकली एंटायर लाइफ सॉर्ट हो जाएगी, हेयर सिचुएशन सॉर्ट हो जाएगी, देन बेब नो ट्रीटमेंट इज दैट पावरफुल कि वो आपके नेचुरल हेयर्स को मैनिपुलेट कर दे टू एन एक्सटेंट कि वो नेचुरल टेक्सचर वापस ना आए. या फिर यू नो इट इज नॉट एन एंड लाइन, देयर इज नो एंड टू इट. If you do it, you can do it temporarily. It'll be lovely. You'll enjoy it. But after a point of time, you'll have to accept कि वो normal होगा. So it is your choice again. But I would still say कि if you ask, okay, so my mother has like extremely curly hair का texture. ठीक है, एकदम proper curl vibes. तो उनके बाल भी आई वुड से मेरे बाल जैसे एकदम स्लीक स्ट्रेट नहीं हुए बट काफ़ी मैनेजेबल हो गए. सो वी गॉट इट डन टुगेदर बेसिकली. बट अगेन I would say कि if you have extremely curly hairs and you want something a little manageable, not extremely straight, you can definitely go for it. It is far better than doing वो permanent rebonding treatments, in my personal opinion. क्योंकि and my mother's opinion also, because you see lesser damage, again temporary है तो आपके बालों को बहुत उतना हार्म नहीं होगा जितना that burns your hairs. But yes, it is a little harmful, but again एक लेयर होती है बालों के ऊपर इस प्रोसेस में जो उतर जाती है विथ टाइम, तो वो परमानेंटली मैनिपुलेट नहीं करेगा आपके बालों को. सो कंसिडरिंग ऑल दीज एस्पेक्ट्स, इफ यू रियली वांट टू डू इट, लाइक रियली वांट टू डू इट, यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर इट. नोबडी केयर्स. इट इज डेड सेल. इट इज गोना कम बैक. You don't have to think that much. And currently, I am thinking to take a break from this because I want to enjoy my natural hairs. Like I miss them. Future में फिर करवाऊंगी. Look, who knows? I don't know. I'm a very moody person. अगर मेरा किस दिन randomly मन कर गया तो I might also shave my head. And honestly, impulsively पिछले कुछ महीनों से I'm thinking of shaving my hair. So yeah, that's it. You cannot trust me कि मैं कराऊंगी कि नहीं. But if you ask me pros और cons consider करके कि कराना चाहिए या नहीं, I would not consider ना कराना. You can just go and get it done if you want. If you can, you will enjoy it. It will be very manageable. It will be a nice phase of your life, I would say. But if you go like कि बहुत hair fall रुक जाएगा या बहुत hair fall होगा, let's see, our hairs react to everything. But if you do a nice hair care, it will work out. So yeah, you can do it if you want to. You can skip on it if you don't want. And if you want to experience manageable hairs for once, you can 10 on 10 go for it. I would vouch for this like more than vouching for rebonding. Again, putting it out there, I'm no professional. और मेरा hair texture मेरे hair dresser को बचपन से पता था, तो my situation was like a little better. क्योंकि आपको फिर वो salon खोजना पड़ेगा, ऐसा हेयर ड्रेसर खोजना पड़ेगा जिसको आप ट्रस्ट कर सको, जो आपको मैनिपुलेट ना करें into getting something expensive done. Rather he tells you like an honest opinion according to your hair and your hair texture. So that is honestly what worked out for me. अगर हम उनको जाके आज बोल दी कि भैया मेरे को rebonding करानी है, तो I know he'll just push me out of the salon की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So yeah, I would primarily say कि it was because of the person who did it for me. Also, if you are from Varanasi, I'll put his details, his number, address, and everything in the in the description box. You can contact him and you can ask him the cost. If you know me personally, you can honestly just text me for cost, or you want any discounts, I can talk to him. But yeah, that's it for today. You can also tell me now that if you want to know something from my end, so I'll post that also. We can do that as well if you want me to talk about something. Yeah, that's that for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you if you're new here, make sure you join the family. We primarily deal with the issues that women face in society, and in long videos I can literally talk about anything and everything. I can also sit and yap like I did today. I can yap about anything. I can do hauls, I can do anything what you want me to. Yeah, that's that. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment if you want to know something, if you want me to tell you something, if you want me to talk about something, like whatever it is. And yeah, make sure you share it with somebody who is maybe considering getting these things done. And you can ask me anything if you want me to answer that into comments. So yeah, see you in the next video.